Hello, and welcome to Irum Kitchen and Vlogs. Today, we are making this easy but scrumptious vegetable recipe. This recipe requires less ingredients and cost-effective. So then, let's get started. Vegetable oil ½ cup, 2 medium onions. Cook until it becomes soft. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Two medium tomatoes. Mix and cover until the tomato becomes soft. Chilli Flakes 1 to 2 teaspoon. Chilli Powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1 to 2 teaspoon. Salt as per taste, or 1 teaspoon. Mix and cook until oil becomes separate. Water 1 tablespoon. Okra 500 grams. Cook for 2 minutes. 3-4 green chili. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Mix and again cover and cook more 10 minutes. Most delicious and flavorful okra is ready for serving. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share.